Hi guys, welcome back, and today is day 6 of Navratri and today's color theme is green. So I have created this sparkly beautiful green based makeup look. So let's get into how I created this look. I'm starting off with skincare. I'm using the Dot & Key hydrating gel and I'm applying it all over my face, and then when it is settled down, I'm moving on to the primer, which is the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. It is a dewy finish primer. Now I'm taking a clear mascara by Etude House and I'm applying it all over my brows and my lashes, kind of coating it as a primer. And then I'm moving to filling my brows and shaping it. I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. Then I'm taking the corrector wheel by Wet n Wild again, and I'm taking this peachy orange shade and applying it all over my eyelids, shaping my brows as well as applying a primer kind of for my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Colorboard eyeshadow palette by Beauty Glazed. I'm using a light yellow shade for crease, and then I'm going on with this light green shade for all over my eyelids. This shade is the first kind of base for my look. I'm using a shimmery green shade almost in the similar shade that I have applied on my eyelids, and I'm applying this shimmer shade all over my eyelids. Next, I'm taking this dark green shade and I'm applying it on my crease and the outer corners. Not a lot. I'm not bringing it in a lot. I'm just creating like a kind of a crease liner. And then I'm going on to my orange color corrector. My eyeshadow is not yet done, but I just want to finish my base. So I'm using this corrector all over the place where there's hyperpigmentation and I'm blending it in. And moving on to my foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution stick foundation and dotting it all over my face and then blending it with a flat top brush. I'm using a little bit of the primer water by Color Bar to kind of blend the foundation. To set everything, I'm using the translucent powder by Sugar Cosmetics, and then I'm kind of contouring a little bit. I'm using the Nicka K Duo Contour Kit, a warm brown shade and applying it to the hollows of my cheek and my hairline and also my jawline. And then I'm going on to the blush, which is the Lakme 925 Pure Rouge blusher, adding some color to my cheeks, and then to the highlighter Nykaa Duo highlighter, and I'm applying it on my cheekbones, my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow and my brow bone. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the same green shade, dark green shade that I applied on my crease, and then I'm giving some sparkle to my eyeshadow. So I'm adding this green sparkle shade on just on the balls of my eyes, and the completed look kind of makes it festive. And then I'm moving on to the mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, applying it all over my upper lash and lower lash. But then I wanted to give a little bit more drama, so I'm adding my eyeliner, which is the Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. I'm using this very same eyeliner to create some detailing, tribal Navratri style detailing to my bindi and my little bit on the either sides of my brows. Finishing the look off with a Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Honey Cherry, and I'm setting the makeup with the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Setting Spray. And here is my completed makeup look. So a green based makeup look does not happen really often for me. It happens only once in a blue moon, but I really love this look. Do let me know what you think about this makeup look. If you liked it, then do give it a huge thumbs up and follow me for more amazing looks.